Hey everyone, how's it going? So I want to start off by saying thank you so much to everyone because here at Artland I have finally reached 100,000 subscribers. This is just a crazy, incredible, amazing moment because when I started this channel several years ago I never thought that I would ever get this much support. I just want to thank you so much to everyone that has supported Artland, everyone that has watched our videos, that has subscribed, that has commented, viewed, everything. I just want to thank you so much for everything. This is awesome and I can't wait to see where this channel goes. I checked my feed not that long ago and just a year ago we were only at 16,000 subscribers and now today we are over 100,000 subscribers, which is incredible. So I cannot wait to see where we go and what we can do. Now, here is my big problem though. I want to do something amazing for our 100,000 subscriber special, but I'm not sure what to do. I have lots of different ideas, but I don't know what would be the best that you guys would like to see. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments what you want me to make. Send me your ideas, no matter what they are, but come up with something awesome that I can draw for our 100,000 subscriber special. Now, I do have a couple ideas, possibly an Artland surprise fold with all the cool, amazing things that have made Artland what it is today. But I want to hear from you guys because you are the reason that Artland is so successful. So in the comments below, let me know what you guys want to see or what you want me to draw, and I will try my best and I will see what I can come up with. But I just want to say thank you so much again to everyone, and I'm so excited to see where this channel goes from here. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope you enjoy all the videos that we have created.